I have reached the shopping centre. I'm here. And I don't have to be loud because the mic is right here, which is good. But yeah, on my way. I have to be quick as well because I'm on my lunch break. What I need to do is pretend I'm talking to someone. As you can tell, I'm not used to vlogging. We have reached.
How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me. Wanna tell her that I'm sorry for the pain that I've caused. I've been listening to your reason, it makes no sense at all. Need to tell her that I'm sorry for the pain that
I got it. I got my package. I got my package. I'm gonna show you what's inside when I get in the car. Not gonna lie, I feel kind of strange walking in the shopping centre with an Apple bag, but I'm just gonna walk near security just in case, do you know what I mean? Okay, we made it to the car. I'm just gonna show you what's inside. Also, if I'm sounding different, that's because I got a new mic. I got a new mic, and if you want to watch that video, then go and click that link right there, and the link will be in the description also. Inside the bag, we have the new iPhone 14 in yellow, and we got the new case that came with it. But obviously I'm gonna unbox it when we get to the house in our environment. I'll see you when we get there.
Hi, the day has very much gone by and I look like I'm ready to go to bed. However, I want to get this video out as soon as possible. So we are just gonna unbox it. Like, the tripod isn't set up. We're very much vlog style right now, but the lighting is here. We have our products. We have our products. We have our products. And we're gonna unbox. So we have the, put it the right way, the new iPhone 14 in yellow, and we also have the matching case. You're absolutely here for the iPhone, so let's just get into it. It looks prettier. Oh my gosh, this yellow. This yellow is gorgeous. This yellow is absolutely gorgeous. I can't lie. Hi. I'm gonna put this to the side for a second. The standard things are in the box, you know, you have your information and you have your cable. There's nothing new here. And then our case to match. The case is pretty, but this is absolutely gonna get dirty very fast. Won't make the sound, but because it hasn't been set up yet, I don't think. That's why I didn't make that little oval thing. Take a look, see. It's cute or whatever. You've seen the case, you've seen the phone. It's the same iPhone 14 that came out in September, but they added some hype. They know what they're doing. Apple are smart, you know. Apple are smart. They're a $1 trillion company for a reason. They know how to keep the excitement alive. And if you forgot about the iPhone 14, here's your reminder. The yellow is really nice, I can't lie. I didn't expect to like it as much as I do. When I was in the store, I don't know what it is about the Apple store, but the lighting is very much off and it makes the colors look really strange in there. I don't know. And it's every Apple store that I go to, the lighting is weird. I wonder if they do that on purpose. I wonder if there's like some subliminal lighting going on in the background. Who knows? Who knows? But anyways, as you can see from like when I was vlogging, when I was actually in store, you could see the yellow and it looked very different to what this yellow looks like. If you're trying to get yourself an iPhone 14, you know, the yellow one is definitely a go. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed your journey with me. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more journeys with me. I don't know, you might go shopping together, who knows? I don't know. But thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. I think it's also worth noting that I'm not using the mic right now. Let's just leave it at that. Okay, bye.